Germany is facing a massive labor shortage and they need 288,000 foreign workers every single year just to sustain the economy. At the same time, their workforce is expected to shrink by 10% by 2040 if immigration does not increase. Now, here's the interesting part. Germany is actively turning to countries like India and other international talent pools to fill this gap. So, the question is not, can you get a job in the Germany? The real question is, do you know how to apply the right way? Hello everyone, welcome back to Your Knowledge Buddy. My name is Sarika and in today's video, I am going to talk about a very important topic, why Germany is turning to India to solve its labor shortage, what kinds of jobs are in demand, and how can you apply for jobs in Germany from any part of the world without using an agent. If you are someone who wants to work in Germany, build an international career, or move abroad through a job route, then this video is going to be super useful for you. So make sure you watch this till the end because I will also explain the 5-step Germany job search process, the best job sites, and how to apply correctly from outside Germany. Now, first understand why Germany is turning to India. Germany is facing a serious demographic and labor shortage. The country has an aging population, a shrinking domestic workforce, and not enough young workers to replace those who are retiring. The BBC article published on 23rd of March highlights that Germany needs around 288,000 foreign workers annually to maintain economic stability. This is one of the main reasons Germany is actively looking forward to India. India has a huge young force and having 600 million people under 25 and around 12 million new people entering the workforce every year. So this is not just a random migration trend, it is a strategic labor partnership. Germany needs workers and India has the talent pool. That is why Germany is now thinking more globally when it comes to hiring. Now, what this means for Indian job seekers? For Indian job seekers, this is a huge opportunity. It means Germany is not only looking for highly experienced professionals, but also for motivated young people who are ready for training, apprenticeship, skill jobs, and long-term careers. Now, this BBC article highlights vocational training, apprenticeships, and skilled trade roles such as bakery, butchery, logistics, and other practical industries. It also shows that this model is helping both German employees and Indian candidates. In simple words, Germany is not just hiring people, it is building a pipeline for long-term workforce replacement. And if you understand the system properly, you can benefit from it. Let's talk about the big opportunity, Ausbildung. One of the biggest themes in this article is Ausbildung, which is Germany's dual vocational training systems. This combines classroom learning with practical on-job training. This is important because many people think Germany only wants engineers or IT professionals. That is not true. The article shows that Germany is also recruiting for trades and structured training pathways such as bakers, butchers, drivers, mechanics, and other skill occupations. For many international candidates, Ausbildung is actually a very practical route into Germany because it gives you training, work experience, and a real path into the labor market. Now, let's talk about the real life example. Now, this BBC article gives examples of young Indian workers who moved into German training and trade roles. One example is a young worker who chose a baker apprenticeships in Germany because he saw better wages, financial stability, and a stronger future. Another example is a mechanical engineering graduate who could not find stable work in India. So he chose the Ausbildung route in logistics and driving to build a reliable career in Germany. Now, these examples are powerful because they show something very important. In Germany, your career path does not have to be traditional to be successful. Sometimes a vocational route can be more stable than waiting endlessly for the perfect office job. Now, why Germany is attractive for workers? Germany is attractive for international workers for 3 main reasons. First, higher wages. A lot of workers want better earnings so they can support their families and save money. Second, social security. Germany offers a strong system of healthcare, unemployment support, and worker protections. Third, quality of life. Germany offers clean infrastructure, safety, and a very strong standard of living. So for many people, Germany is not just a job destination, it is a long-term life upgrade. Which jobs are in demand in Germany then? Now, let's talk about the type of jobs that are relevant. Now, based on this BBC article and Germany's broader labor demand, here are the kind of fields that are very important. First is skilled trades, logistics and transport, bakery and food production, butchery and traditional craft sectors, mechanical and technical work, childcare, education, public service roles, skilled professional jobs, which we all know, like IT, engineering, finance, and healthcare. This BBC article specifically shows that Germany's recruitment is expanding beyond traditional trades and is now looking toward public service roles like kindergarten teachers and educators as well. So, if you're watching this from India, the UK, the Middle East, Africa, or anywhere else in the world, you should understand that Germany has multiple entry points, not just one. So, how to apply for jobs in Germany from anywhere in the world without an agent? Yes, you can apply directly. You do not need to depend on middlemen if you know the process properly. The easiest way to do this is the official portals, company career pages, and trusted job search site. So, which are the best job sites in Germany? Now, here are the best sites for Germany you should use. First is Make It in Germany, which is the official German government portal for skilled workers. Second is a federal employment agency, which is Arbeitsagentur, one of the main official job sources in Germany. The three, LinkedIn, useful for international and professional roles. Number 4 is Indeed Germany, good for broad job search. Number 5 is Stepstone, one of the biggest job portals in Germany. Number 6 is Zinc Jobs, useful for German speaking and professional networking roles. So if you want a safe and structured start, begin with Make It Germany and Arbeitsagentur first, because these are official and reliable sources. Now, 5 steps to Germany. Now, let me give you the 5-step Germany job search process in the simplest way possible. This is the part you can literally follow step by step. Step 1. Choose the right job category. First is decide whether you are targeting skilled trades, healthcare, IT, engineering, education, logistics, or another in-demand field. Do not apply randomly. Apply only where your background matches the job. Step 2. Prepare German-style documents. Your CV should be structured properly for Germany. Employees usually expect a clear professional CV, a cover letter, certificates, and proof of qualification. If you're applying seriously, prepare an ATS-friendly application in PDF format. Step number 3. Search on trusted job portals. Use official and major job portals like Make It in Germany, Arbeitsagentur, Stepstone, Indeed, LinkedIn. Filter jobs by role, city, and language requirement. Step 4. Apply directly to employers. Apply on the company's website whenever possible. Many employers in Germany prefer direct applications, and this also helps you avoid scams or fake agents. Step number 5. Prepare for visa and recognition. Once you get interest for an offer, check whether your qualifications are recognized in Germany, whether you need a visa, whether the job fits your pathway. Work visa, job seeker visa, EU blue card, or Ausbildung route, visa and work route basics. If you're outside Germany, you usually need the proper visa pathway before entering or before starting employment, depending on your situation. The official portal explains that skilled workers from third countries generally apply for visa through the German embassy in their home country before entering Germany. In some cases, you can sign a contract before the visa is issued, but it should clearly state it becomes effective only after the visa is approved. Now, there are also different pathways such as job seeker visa, work visa, EU blue card, depending on your background and qualification. Now, important advice for international applicants. If you're applying from abroad, do these things seriously. Number 1, check if your qualification is recognized in Germany. Number 2, prepare a German-style CV and cover letter. Number 3, apply only to jobs matching your background. Number 4, use official websites and trusted portals. Number 5, learn basic German if your target role needs it. And number 6, be patient and systematic. The more organized you are, the better your chances. Germany values structured, prepared applicants. Now, my final thoughts. Germany is opening its doors because it needs talent. India has the talent, And if you're smart, prepared, and consistent, you can position yourself in this opportunity. Whether you are aiming for Ausbildung, a skill job, or a work visa route, the most important thing is this: start now, apply directly, and build a proper plan. You do not need to wait for an agent to tell you what to do. You can start your Germany job search today from anywhere in the world. Now, if you want help with Germany job search, Germany CV format, Germany job application strategy, or visa planning, then comment Germany below so that I can help you with the job assistance program. Thank you so much for watching your Knowledge Buddy. My name is Sarika and I'll see you in the next video.